Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and connect to the eufy E25 robot vacuum and mop. If you're interested in the E25, the link to it will be in the video description. First thing you have to do is download the eufy Clean app for iOS and Android devices, sign in or create your account, and then you'll be at this screen where you can view devices if you already have any set up. If not, it'll be blank and it'll just say add device. We have add device down at the bottom right there, so we can press that. And now we can choose from this list to select our robot. But you notice that I didn't touch anything and a new device was found. So if you wait long enough, it might even actually find it for you automatically. So pick and choose the E25 from the list of devices, or if you see this new device found prompt automatically on your screen, then go ahead and select connect from there. So that's what we're gonna do. And now we'll wait to connect. All right, next screen is your Wi-Fi information. Make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi network. This is only compatible with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so make sure you're connected to 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi on your local Wi-Fi network. After you hit next, we have a voice prompt saying connecting Wi-Fi, and we wait.
Wi-Fi connection successful.
Got the voice prompt that it was successful. We'll wait for the app to catch up. There we go. And we're taken back to this screen where we can see all of our devices right here. So take a look. There they are on the screen. And up at the top is our E25. We can select enter. We can agree. Get the device ready. They show you how to position the station for placement. We have a firmware upgrade. Let's go ahead. Let's do that right now. Turn on auto upgrade. And we're going to upgrade.
Please wait. System updating.
Voice prompt, systems updating. We have the app too showing us the progress. So we wait. All right, the upgrade was successful. That literally took a minute, 2 minutes tops. So now we can go back. All right, the update was successful. We actually had 2 firmware updates. It took about 5 minutes total for both updates combined. So now we can go back. We'll enter in. Now it's going to load. And this is what you'll see initially for the first time. So setup is simple and straightforward to get to this point where now you would position the station, tidy up the rooms, keep all the doors open that you want, and then you start to create a map. But setup initially from start to finish takes a minute or so to get it set up. It finds it automatically. You just enter your Wi-Fi information. The longest part will be the 5 minutes it would then take if you choose to update the firmware, which I highly recommend. Always operate this with firmware up to date, and go ahead and do that before you start using it for the first time. But simple and straightforward to connect the eufy E25 with the eufy Clean app for iOS and Android devices.